Welcome to the SP-401 Solar Lighting Unit Introduction. A next-generation solar-powered lighting unit, designed by S4GA. Providing reliable ICAO, EASA, and FAA-compliant lighting for various airside operations. The SP-401S is a fully autonomous, solar-powered and radio-controlled lighting unit. It has been engineered to deliver safe, durable, and maintenance-friendly airside lighting even in the world's most challenging environments. The SP-401S family covers a wide range of applications from runway edge and threshold lights to taxiway lights and helipad lighting. With multiple optical configurations, the same light can be used throughout the entire airside. The SP-401S can be controlled in multiple ways. With the handheld UR101 for portable remote control. The UR201 used to control and monitor the system, providing radio, GSM, and VHF control capabilities. Or through the Airfield lighting control and monitoring system, also referred to as the ALCMS, enabling control and real-time monitoring of each individual light. Regardless of the system configuration, full operational control is maintained. For more information about the SP-401S, refer to the User's Manual for operation details, the Installation Manual for installation requirements, and the Maintenance Manual for service procedures.